Me duele el cuello. All right, 5th try. Just watch the video. Dale. So in today's video, we are going to be removing the faces of the wheels. Right now, I'm just releasing the air. I'm going to take those bolts out, push the face out. I'm going to do that to all 4 of them. And then we're going to get a new color to see what color we're going to do on these wheels. I got my other battery charging over there because this one is low. So once this goes down, I'll remove this and then I'll let you guys know how it goes. So once you take all of them off, you just come, you lay the wheel down, you get your hammer, and you hit it as hard as you can, like this. No, I'm just kidding, like this. I could probably do it with my hands, but I'm gonna just do it with this. And that's it. Make it easy right off. Already got 2 down. 2 more to go. So I already got all the faces off. I might just put four screws, 4 bolts, whatever you want to call it, on each wheel, just in case, just to hold the barrel and the lip together. And then I'm gonna go drop these off to change the color. When I come back, I'm gonna start trying to see if I can polish these wheels, sand them down, whatever, wet sand them, and try to make them look good again. Because these wheels, they're dirty right now, but I know we can get something out of them. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So we have to go drop off the faces later today after I got out of work. And I still don't know what color I'm going to do, because I don't know how these wheels are gonna look polished, whatever, because you know, these are the barrels. And I know they're not chrome, so I don't know how they're gonna look when I polish them. So I'm just doing a little bit of work right now to see how it's gonna look, so I can know what color I want to do on the faces, to see what color matches up better. And yeah, so what you guys are gonna see after this is me dropping off the wheels, the faces at the shop to get powder coated, and then we should get to polishing these wheels. All right, so yeah, we can work something out with these wheels. I did a little bit right there, that little piece. As you can see, the little dark mark right there, and on this side, right in the middle, that's where I did a little bit. So all we gotta do is wet sand them. I don't know what thing I'm gonna use to wet sand them. I gotta figure that out. And then I gotta go to AutoZone or Harbor Freight, get one of the little mother's ball things. That way we can use this with the drill to get it done quicker, and polish all 4 of my lips. All right, so we ready. I already dropped off the wheels. I bought a 1500 sandpaper, but I lost it in my car somewhere, but I'll find it later. So we're gonna use these and the 15 when I find it. I got this, I got my water. For when we're done, I got the polish. So we're just gonna wet sand the wheel real quick, and then we should be Gucci. Let me see. So as you guys can see here, as you can see here, it's not shiny no more, and up here shiny. That's what we're getting. See down here, no more shiny. Up here, shiny, no shiny. So we're just gonna continue to do this around the wheel. Then we're gonna hit it with the rest of the ones, the sandpapers, until we get the 3000. And then get it ready to hit it with the polish and the cone to see how it's gonna look. Let me see. Yeah, it's coming off. The little dirt spot back there is coming off. Everything coming off. And while I do this, let's chat a little bit. Today I got my wrap, but I don't know. I don't really, not really feeling the color. I mean, the color looks nice, don't get me wrong. It's just the color option for the wheels that I'm doing. Because, I don't know, I don't really like it. It's not really the way I wanted to pop out. But I guess we gotta deal with it. I already bought the wrap and I'm not gonna sell it. Because if I sell it, let me just lock this in real quick. If I sell it, I'm not gonna get the money I paid for it back, so I don't really think there's really any benefits of doing that. So I guess I'm gonna just rock it like that for a little bit with that wrap and the wheel, the color combo on the wheels. It'll probably grow, whatever, into me, whatever you want to call it. But I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. I should clean the inner lip too. Probably look better. I don't know. What y'all think? Comment down below. I know you're watching this right now. Look at the Civic up there. Just collecting dust up there. That's when y'all know the build is serious. When you put the car away and you're waiting 3 months for parts to come in. I already got some parts in, but you guys will probably seen that already in my previous video. If I post the video before this one, or probably y'all gonna see it after this one. I don't know. Let's see how everything works out. But I'll probably post this video before everything. So yeah, y'all most likely gonna see this one first before I have everything on the car and before I have all the parts I'm waiting for. So yes, let me finish this, then I'll get back to you guys when I'm polishing. All right, so this one's done. I'm gonna just wait for that one to dry up. So while that one dries up, I'm gonna start doing this one. So that way, when I'm done with that one, this one is probably gonna be dry enough so we can start polishing this one. My glove broke. Also this finger, it is what it is. I don't have no more gloves. So let's get back to work. Gotta clean this one up because it's super dusty. As y'all can see, that water is sucia, very dirty. So we're gonna clean this up before we start sanding and then get it prepped. All right, so we all done. We got them all sanded down, as you guys can see. They're all sanded down. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today or if I'm gonna do it tomorrow, but I know we have to start polishing these wheels. I might get one of them done today. It's still early. It's 7:46 right now. So I've been here for like 2-3 hours already doing this. So let me think about it. All right, so I already put a little bit right here. Just gotta get these swirls out. As you can see, the line right there before, after. I'm gonna put a little bit more, keep going, and then let's see how it ends up. All right, guys, so my drill ran out of juice. That thing is dead, but it's looking way better. I wanted to go another round again to make it a little bit better, but it's a huge difference from this. We went to this, and I can probably get a little bit more shine out of it. So, but at least all four are done. I just need to polish them, and then when I get the faces back, we're gonna put the faces on these wheels. So by the time for the next clip, I'll probably be putting the faces on, and all lips are gonna be polished, looking like this or even better. So see you guys in a few days. All right, guys, so I got the wheels right now. Keep calling them wheels. Faces, right? I got the faces right here in front of me right now. I got two of them. I got the other two in the car. I just got to show you guys one, right? I don't got to show you all four. So they're all the same color, so no need to show you all four. But it's not a color like the other one I have, the Neochrome, but it's a color that looks nice. You guys might ask why I went with this color, and the reason I went with this color is because the I can't even speak. Yeah, the color that I'm doing on the wrap, right, is a color that I've been searching for a while on what color I can do for my wheels that's gonna look good with that color on the wrap. So I couldn't find any color that I was, that I really liked. So I didn't want to do polish. So yeah, the wheels are not polished, the faces are not polished, whatever, chrome, whatever, none of that. So it's a basic color, but it might look good with the wrap. So if anything, we'll just have to change the wrap because I don't really like it anyways. I'm gonna just put it on for a little bit since I already got it. I could change it for another one. I could send it back, but it is what it is. It's a color that at first I liked it, but now I don't really like it because it's one of those wraps that when you buy something that nobody really has a picture of a car with that color, so you never know what you're getting. So that's what happened to me. I got it. I don't really like it, but you never know. It might look good. So enough of that. Let me show you guys the wheels. So here is the new color on the faces. This is not gunmetal. Looks like gunmetal, but this is Speedway Gray. Looks something like the gunmetal, but nope, it isn't. You guys want to see something cool? Let's see how they look. How can I hold this? Oh, look at that. You guys know what that means, right? Whee. Let's see. Let's try not to scratch the lips. Look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this. Sheesh. Tell me this doesn't look good. Oh my God. I still gotta finish polishing the lip, but this looks so good. Wait. I gotta polish these. I haven't polished them. Sheesh. Look at this, man. I love it. It's not a crazy color like the Neochrome, but this looks good. This looks beautiful, man. Oh my God. Comment down below what you guys think. W's in the chat or L's. Let me know. I know most of you guys probably like the chrome more than these, but when you guys see the wrap, you guys will understand. Also, and I'm not going to put the the wheels together now, because if you guys see my hardware, look at my hardware. If I can get it to stand, look at my hardware. They're dirty. On the outside is not as bad as in here. They're like all rusty and stuff, so I'm gonna just get new ones. If you guys have any spare hardware and mates, let me know. That way I can put it on. But I don't know if I'm going to do chrome or if I'm gonna use a hardware that's the color of a little bit that shows on the wrap. So that's why I'm not gonna put this together yet. I'm gonna wait until I have wrapped the car. Once I have the car all wrapped, that I see how the color looks on the car. I always think I'm gonna hit my head down here. Everything's done, the car is fully wrapped, and I see how it looks in the sun and the shade and all that. That's when I'm going to figure out or decide what color we're going to do with the hardware. Because, you know, I have a color in mind, but because I know there's a little bit of shades in the wrap of that color. Shades, there's a little hint. There's a little hint. But I don't know. So I want to first wrap the car. Once I wrap the car, then I'll get to do the hardware, and then I'll finish the wheels, because no point of finishing the wheels now if the car is not done, because I'm not going to put the wheels on the car right now. So, and why? I'm going to show you guys right now. You guys want to see where the Civic is at? Look, the Civic has been here in the same spot for like about 3 weeks already. I was about to say months. Look how dirty it is. Look at the windshield, brown. That's for how long it's been sitting up there. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it. I forgot to make the outro the other day, so I was working on the video right now. That boy about to go get a haircut right now. If you see the shirt, you already know. Hey, no copyright. Yeah, boy, certified tint installer now. If I can find my key. Yeah. If you guys want to see more, see what we end up doing with the wheels, make sure to hit that subscribe button. There's a lot of content coming soon. Once I get all my parts for the car, so we're gonna be wrapping the car. Might do a different fitment. There's a lot coming. I want to do a little setup on my trunk, so subscribe so you don't miss that, and also follow me on Instagram. Catch you guys in the next one.